Get out of here. Oh man. Perfect.
Good morning.
Morning.
I love you.
Hey.
What are you eating? That's ridiculous. He's so fast. He moves. It's a lot of fun. Ah! Let go of it. All right, one more. Oh, the wind took it. Oh, he had it too. Do the old guy for me.
You are.
I love Sundays. What a fun Sunday this is. Next up, we're gonna go to the shop, get some stuff done, get some stuff ready, because I always like to be prepared for Monday. Just do some things and hang out with the family. Again, beer.
Hi.
Brought you guys snuck in the car again? You're supposed to be at home.
Lock the doors.
Whoa. You alright?
Yeah.
Whoa.
It's neat.
Alright, you better run. Because I'm not. Stand here. Okay, so camera died last night, and I didn't have any of my stuff with me. I always try to make sure I have my gear with. I hope I tried to finish it. Beer. That's my excuse, beer. But it's Monday, back at work. We're not on the way to the trail right now. We're on back to the shop because I forgot my keys. Thanks, baby. I love you.
Go to Audible.
Okay, I love you. We're ready.
Great. Another vlog.
Some of you might like 80s on Wednesday. We don't like 80s on Wednesdays, do we, Rye?
No.
No.
You know what that means?
What?
Sweat.
Yeah.
Hot dogs.
Ooh, I like hot. Oh.
Not the good kind.
Okay.
Now we're good for the day.
Flip in the back of me.
Oh, Levi. Oh. I just want to let everyone know that it's Pippin's last day before he gets neutered.
So anyways, like I was saying,
He's gonna get neutered tomorrow. Huh.
what a responsible dog owner.
Yeah.
The town made him do it. Birdman, how are they? Good. It's good.
No, that's 507. I wonder how many people are gonna watch this one. Watch my huge arms pull on this line. It's probably like a 20-pound draw. Just about. Pretty heavy.
Silent.
Somebody left their leashes by my car. Wonder who it was. Sarah.
Later, Pippin.
Say bye, Pip. Did you hear that? He said
Ooh.
bye, dude.
So I hope you liked it today. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Kind of a mismatch of things. It's kind of like the day. All right, guys. See you tomorrow.